People friends, it's me, Peanut, and now it's time to announce Wonder Buddy of the Week. And so without further ado, here's Tiny Mike. Tiny, thanks for being our announcer. You're the greatest. Thank you, Peanut. And it's Tiny Mike here, and from Florida. And I must say, it's very warm down here in Florida. Which is good because I don't like wearing the clothes, and I often see Peanut in sweaters and things, and I prefer my birthday suit, so good for me. This is what I'm saying. Anyway, Peanut, this week's Wonder Buddy of the Week is, let me see here, Jax. Congratulations, Jax, you're a good-looking pup. Nice he is there. And you can see him in the photograph. So Jax is the Wonder Buddy of the Week. Everybody, I hope you have a fabulous new year. Be safe out there. From Florida, it's me, Tiny Mike. Sending love.